check this out. Yeah, come on now. Dude, is this like not a first? Like Nerf guns, video games together? Dude, I am totally loving what they got going on here. I almost could not believe it when I saw this sitting on the shelf at Target, but here it is. This is legit, y'all. It is the Sonic the Hedgehog skin from Hedgehog. Just when you thought they couldn't get any funkier, any better. Check out over there. I already have one of these. Guess what? I already have another one of these somewhere in this pile, but Hedgehog, being as smart as they are, they got me buying multiple of the same blasters. One thing I thought that I would never, ever do. That's what's up, guys. I just wanted to show you guys that I found this at the store and how excited that I was to see it.